Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete an Element Messenger account step by step. Deleting your account is a permanent action that removes your Matrix account from your home server, so it's important to back up any information you want to keep before continuing. So let's get started. First, open the Element Messenger app or the Element web app and sign in to the Matrix account you want to delete. Before making any changes, make sure you've exported or backed up any important data, encryption keys, or files that you may need later. Next, click or tap your profile icon and open Settings. Navigate to the Security, Account, or General section, depending on your app version and home server. Look for an option such as Deactivate Account, Delete Account, or Close Account. Now read the warning message carefully. Deactivating or deleting your Matrix account may permanently remove your account from the home server, prevent future logins, and affect access to your encrypted conversations. The exact behavior depends on your home server's policies. If you're sure you want to continue, enter your password to confirm your identity and complete any additional verification steps that appear. Then click Deactivate or Delete Account to submit your request. Once the process is complete, you'll be signed out of all connected devices. If you're using Element on multiple computers or phones, remove the account from those devices as well, and securely delete any local data if you no longer need it. And that's it. You now know how to delete an Element Messenger account safely after backing up your important information. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next